Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use less data for calls on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at the 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on the storage and data option. Here you have the network subcategory, use less data for calls, that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it. So it will be updated automatically, and whenever you would like to disable this feature, all you have to do is coming back to this section and tapping on the same button again so that it will be turned off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.